to do a quick review today of this math tool. On the count of three, I want you to tell me the name of this math tool. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Rec and Recs give us a really good tool to use for math. We're going to review what we notice about the Rec and Rec. So look at your Rec and Rec. What are some of the cool things about this Rec and Rec? What do we know, Alexis?
There's red beans and there's white beans.
Excellent.
And
We have
they
red
go-
and we have white. What else do we notice? What else do we notice? Piper.
What happens?
Yeah,
Sorry,
how
when
many
you divide
parts?
them into parts? What do you notice? So if you couldn't hear Piper, can I borrow this? She divided her rec into what two colors? Red and white. So she said, I have a group of 5 and a group of 5 and a group of 5. Knowing I have two groups of 5 that are red, how many red beads are on your rec and rec? Nose when you know. Nose, if you can tell me how many red beads on your rec and rec. Nose. How many red beads are on that rec and rec? Kylie? 10, how do you know?
There's 5 red on the top and 5 red on the bottom.
What else do you guys know about a rec and rec?
Right now I should not be hearing anybody touching those beads. Put those your hands either on your head or in your lap, away from the Rec and Rec. What else do we know, Kylie?
There's a big fish in this box.
Because why? How many are there altogether? There are 20 beads on that Rec and Rec. How many would be on the top, everyone? How many on the bottom? 10. Okay, good. We're going to make some numbers today. How many times do I push to make a number? Put it on your finger. How many times? We're going to try to make these numbers with one push. Okay? So right now we're at home base, right? When you push, what do we call that? The action zone. Good. So I want you to show me 5. One push. Go. And then hands right back where I know you're done. Jaden, tell the class how you made 5.
I knew there was 5 reds
Where? On the top or the bottom?
on the top.
So you pushed over 5 red on the top. Great job. Did anybody do it different? Piper. You saw 4 and 1 equals 5. Did anybody do it that doesn't just have 5 red on the top? I see Delaney did it different. Delaney, how did you do it? How many do you have on the top pushed over in the action zone? 0. And how many do you have on the bottom? 5. Great. Clear. Clear. One push. I like how I saw people do it with one push and Piper has her hands back on her head ready to listen. I want you to show me the number 3. One push. Go. 3.
When he said hey, I didn't just
Rocco.
So how'd you know that was 3? Well, I just thought of it, and I think it's 6.
Right, how could we try? How do I know numbers are beats? How many are there?
5.
And if I have 2 left over, that means there's 3.
Rocco, I saw you did it really quick. How did you know that was 3? What'd you do?
I used it was 2.
How did you know that was 3? How did you know it wasn't this isn't 3? What did you do? How many is this? 5. How did you know to push this spinny over?
It was
two's left behind, and how many's over here? 3. How else did you do it, Audrey? Tell the class how you made 5, or 3.
I made 3 by putting 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom.
2 on the top and 1 on the bottom, that equals 3. So we have 3 on the top, none on the bottom. We have 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Is there another way? Is there another way to make it? Does anybody know it different? Zane, what do you think?
1 on the top and 2 on the bottom.
Why?
Because 1, and then I counted on 1, 2, 3.
So you use the strategy counting on. Very good, clear. Everybody clear, back to home.
Okay. This time I want you to show me 6 on your rec and rec.
We've got some quick mathematicians, Miss Thompson. I see a lot of kids doing it with 1 push. The only time I should use 2 push is if I'm using both rows. Otherwise I want 1 push. Nice. Hands on your head. Preston, we're waiting for you to make 6. In your action zone, you will have 6. Why did you push those back? That is not 6, that'd be too many of it. Okay, who have I not called on? Maddie, how did you make 6?
I know there were 4,
Alexis,
and
times over.
then 2 more that was 1.
How did you see 4 and 2 more? Two more. What if I was going to describe that with red and white? What would your numbers be then? 5 and is. Did everybody hear what she say? 5 and 1 more is. Did anybody do it differently? Rocco, you've got your hand back up. How'd you do it?
3 and 3 equals 6.
How'd you know that?
Because there's a 2 here and a 3 and 9.
3 and 3 is? You just knew that fact. Good, you're using a fact you know. What strategy could you use if you didn't know? What if Rocco pushed 3 over on the top and he didn't know how many more? What strategy could he use? What he could count on. Show me how he could do that. 3. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, clear it. Back to home. Okay, you guys ready? I think you're up for a big challenge. We are going to see how many different ways we can come up with how to make 5. Okay? So how many are going to be in the action zone at the end? 5. As a class, we're going to think of all the different ways we can make 5. I want you to make one of your own, but try to make one that you think not everybody's going to make. Go. Make 5. Make 5.
Hey, I made that one. That's 10.
When you have one, show me. Show me. Okay, I want you to leave your rec and recs at your seat because everybody has a way. Wait, stop. Take a snapshot. Ready? Look at your rec and rec. Get your camera out. Take a picture of it in your mind. And then I want you to find your spots on the carpet. By the count of 3, go. 1, 2. Quiet cameras now. And 3. Okay, when I do a fair share stick, you're going to tell me the way that you did it. Okay, we're going to show the way you did it. Ready? I'm waiting for quiet eyes, calm hands in our lap. Oh, nice. Audric, tell me the way you did it.
I did like 3 on the bottom and 2 on the top.
So look at Miss Thompson, is that how yours looked?
No, except I pushed all the ones over and did them with white.
Oh, and you did them with white, so you just kind of had it upside down, but that's kind of what it is. You had 2 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Let's use our counting on strategy and make sure he's right. 3, 4, 5. Why did I start on the bottom? What do we know with counting on? We should use what first? The biggest number. Good, I need another way. Peter.
You know, I just put all the numbers at the top.
Okay, tell Miss Thompson, tell exactly what to do.
Yeah,
What
just
did yours
put
look
the
like?
numbers at.
There's no numbers over there.
So all the numbers?
No, I
Oh.
mean just put.
Tell me more.
How many you said.
How, I think we were gonna make the number 5, so tell me what I need to do. What's that look like?
Just bring the reds over there.
The reds.
At the bottom row.
So just the top reds. How many is that?
Yeah.
Everybody look over there. Does that make 5?
How did Peter know that so quick? What does he know about a wreck and wreck?
Just know how to do that.
Piper.
Because there's a group of red and a group of white.
And each of those group have how many?
5.
5. So if I know that about a wreck and wreck, I don't need to do much thinking, do I? I just push over the red. Different way. Willow.
I had 4 on the bottom and 1 on the top.
She said she had Zechany dice here. I'm going to clear her back to home. She said I had 4 on the bottom and 1 at top. Let's just counting on. Are we ready? 4, 4, 5. Did anybody do it different? Zane.
3 on the top and 2 on the bottom.
3 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Let's make sure he's right. So I'm going to push him back over to home. Ready, guys? 3 on the top, 3, 2 on the bottom. How would I count on? 3.
4, 5.
Excellent. Is there another way? What'd you come up with? You have 2 on the top. Oh, we have that way already. Could I do this way? 2 on the bottom. Then how many would I need on the top?
That's my 1, 2.
Good. What if I did this, guys? What else would I need to add to it, Kylie? 1 on the bottom. Does that equal 5? Does that equal 5?
Yes.
Very good. Peter. Peter. So are these guys over here? Peter. Okay. Today's job for you at your